Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. I bet you came to this video because you can't stand the smell of your washing machine anymore. Am I right? It's true. No one likes a smelly washing machine, especially because when we wash our clothes, we want to smell refreshing and clean. In today's video, we'll show you how to keep your washing machine clean and smelling great. A washing machine should have a pleasant scent, but that's not always the case. What if that smell gets into your clean clothes? Nobody wants that. If your washing machine is dirty and emitting an unpleasant smell, it's time to give it a thorough cleaning. So before you call a technician to inspect your washing machine for defects that are causing the stench, roll up your sleeves, grab some rubber gloves, and start cleaning your smelly washing machine. For this task, you'll need a sponge or cloth, bleach, baking soda, and white vinegar. If you have some at home and want to use it, you should have your rubber gloves, an old toothbrush, and some essential oil ready. Start by removing and scrubbing all soap, bleach, and fabric softener dispensers. Use an old toothbrush or the corner of your sponge to get into the cracks and corners and clean them thoroughly. Remove debris from the dispenser tubes if you can reach them. Now, also clean around the door and hinges where dirt can go unnoticed. For models with a front door, clean the area around the rubber seal to remove dirt buildup. It's best to scrub these areas before you thoroughly clean the drum. To clean the drum, add 4 cups of bleach to a top-loading machine or 2 cups to a front-loading model. Run a wash cycle at the highest temperature. Stop the wash cycle once the bleach has mixed with the water. Let the bleach sit for 30 minutes and then let it finish the entire wash cycle. Then run another rinse cycle to remove all traces of the bleach. After the bleach has sanitized the drum, you can use baking soda and vinegar to clean and deodorize your washing machine. To do this, mix 1/4 cup of baking soda with 1/4 cup of water and add it to the detergent container of your machine. Use 4 cups of white vinegar in a top-loading machine or 2 cups in a front-loading model. Pour the vinegar into the drum, then run a high-temperature wash cycle. For a more thorough clean, you can interrupt the wash cycle and let the mixture sit for 30 minutes. If the stains don't disappear, wipe the inside of the drum with a cloth or sponge. Finally, you can use an essential oil as an odor remover and mild disinfectant in the sealant. We usually recommend eucalyptus or cinnamon to keep the musty smell away, or sweet orange, bergamot, or tangerine to leave a pleasant and fresh aroma. So, did you like to know how to clean a smelly washing machine? Try it out and share your tips with us. If you already know this tip, tell me in the comments, and don't forget to like the video. Don't keep this information to yourself. Help your friends and family by sharing this tip with them. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.